Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Gray skies and light rain falling right now in the Ashland area. It's been a very cool and fall-like start to the work week, and it will continue. Take a look at the radar. You can see some of that very light rain working through southern portions of Jackson County. Snow levels still rather high, so seeing rain up at Mount Ashland. East side, very hit and miss light rain showers. We do have some steadier showers pushing in towards the Crater Lake, Diamond Lake area, eventually towards Union Creek. Could see some moderate rain at times. And as far as snow levels are concerned, they will lower a bit tonight, but mainly it's just going to be those higher peaks that see any kind of snow. Eventually showers taper off by morning for most of the region. 48 degrees in Medford right now, only 59 in Montague, 53 in Mount Shasta, a little bit warmer where we had some actually breaks of sun today. It's only 49 in Klamath Falls, 52 degrees in Brookings. Winds a bit breezy for the east side, but these winds will die down as we head into tonight. With any breaks in the cloud deck, we could see some areas of fog develop in some west side valleys. We'll be keeping an eye on that. Otherwise, down to 34 in Wairika tonight, 41 in Medford, and 28 degrees in Klamath Falls. Tomorrow, we expect mainly dry weather during the course of the daytime hours, but the next storm system comes in tomorrow evening with rain and higher elevation snow. Highs tomorrow up around 60 in our west side valleys and up to 54 for Lakeview and Klamath Falls. Here's a look at snow levels. They'll start off pretty high by the end of the day tomorrow, right around 7,000 feet at 5 p.m., but they'll drop as that precipitation comes in down around 5,000 feet by 11, and then by morning on Wednesday down to about 4,000 feet. So we do expect accumulating snow primarily along the Cascades. We could see at least maybe a few inches at Lake of the Woods, up to about 6 inches or so towards Crater Lake, about 1 to 3 inches for Chemult, and some of the higher terrain of the east side, maybe a light dusting, but that's about it. 1, maybe 2 inches at Mount Ashland. But as far as most of the focus for the steadier precipitation, that's going to be mainly along and west of the Cascades in southern Oregon. Here's how things pan out tonight into tomorrow. Rain, snow showers wrap up. We'll see some sunshine mixed with clouds. Eventually clouds go back on the increase for everybody later tomorrow into tomorrow night. Here comes the rain and higher elevation snow. The basin could see a little bit of a light wintry mix even in Klamath Falls if we have a few lingering rain and snow showers into the morning. Notice some still lingering shower activity, but definitely not as widespread as what we'll see overnight tomorrow night. And then things will really start to dry out as we head into Wednesday evening. Rainfall totals, areas along and west of the Cascades are ranging between 1/10 to about 1/4 of an inch. Some higher rainfall and precipitation amounts along the Cascades. But notice the east side, Siskiyou County, likely less than 1/10 of an inch. Then we're going to see a break in the action again, but more wet weather we're tracking for Halloween weekend. Snow levels, though, are looking high with those systems this weekend and right through Halloween. Your 7-day forecast shaping up like this. More rain for the coast later tomorrow, especially into tomorrow evening and night. Northern California, mostly sunny tomorrow, a bit milder. The chance for some showers on Wednesday, but the amounts look fairly light for Siskiyou County and for the basin. Winds will be a bit breezy for the east side as the system comes through. More opportunities at rain this weekend for the Cascades and Siskiyous. Snow impacting travel over the Cascades, especially tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. And then in the Rogue Valley, expect more wet weather, and we'll see another round of precipitation late in the week, but especially as we move into this weekend.
Well, you know, it seemed like we waited months for this last weekend's rain. Next rain, just another day.
Yeah, and it stays very active here as we head through the month and then into November.
Very good. Thank you, Matt.